Alright, I'm on to my next project. I've done the paintings, but that need a little bit of polishing and all that, but I'll do it later because I need to finish it off. So see these, if you notice in the previous videos, the glass has been broken. Since I'm going to use as a van, so I don't mind, it's not necessary to replace the glass. So what I'm going to do, I've done the fiberglass on top. So now I'm going to cover it off, trim the edges, and I'm going to spray it, and at the end it'll look like the other just like paint stuff. So you see inside, that's what my next project is going to be, right? So see how beautiful it is, and then all the sides and top. So what's my next project is, I'm going to cover all these with a board. So I'm going to make a block, just to cover this box. So basically it's going to boxed up with the wood, and I'm going to do the fiberglass and then paint it. So I'll go through step by step how I'm doing it, so you can learn the fiberglass as well. So it's a big job. One of my old English mechanic told me when I take my car to him first time, when I met him years back, there was a difficult job, bearing job or something like that I take to him. So for me it's looked like impossible to do it. So, and it was a dent on my vehicle, so I asked him, is it possible to do it? What he said is, anything is possible. So that word stuck in my mind up until now. Any difficult challenges whenever I come across, I remember that word. Anything is possible. It's not nothing impossible, anything is possible. So yeah, it's a lot of job again, so we'll walk you through step by step how I'm going to do it. So I'm a bit of skilled on fiberglass, so but these bit here, the roof, see, it's appearing. Once I paint it, it won't. Actually, there was a glass, it got smashed when I tried to open it, because of that roof track that's sharp on the corner. So actually it's moved now, so it was way back in here. So when I opened it, it just went to the glass and has smashed the glass. So to replace the glass is going to cost me a fortune. So I've done a couple of a couple of flies, and then paint it. And then inside, anyway, these all will be boxed up wood, and then it's going to be fiberglass. So it's like a boxed fiberglass just for the purpose of like waterproof. So we'll see you shortly in next video. I'm going to do with the wood and all of this, so I may take a few videos, which is not a miracle, and then next, and we'll see you again. Thanks very much for watching.